Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of Actress Ipsy eyeshadow palette, I'll put a link for that in the description box down below. Also, I have a 100th video giveaway that I've got going on live now. I'll put that link that talks about that video and how to enter it in the description box down below. Shortly, I'll be uploading our 200th subscriber giveaway. So all sorts of fun stuff, and we'll do another big one when this hits 300 subscribers, which I'm really looking forward to. Already started putting some stuff aside for that, so help us get there. So this box came really dented and damaged. I'm hoping nothing on the inside is damaged. If you are new to TestTube, it's mainly a skincare box. Every once in a while they'll throw in a makeup item. Most of it is skincare. It's all full size. They've been really knocking it out of the park. It does ship every other month, so it gives you time to really try out the items. It is $29.95. They ship 8 or more full-size beauty products, and it has a retail value of over $150. Let's dive into this box. It always comes with a pamphlet that talks about all the different products inside. Most of the items usually fit in a tube. Hence the reason why they call it TestTube. It is brought to you by New Beauty. This one is so pretty. Most of the time I've seen them, they're kind of geographic shapes, but I kind of love this. And I always find uses for these things. You know, I've got on my counter, this one is weird. Like most of the time, this lid here twists off. What is going on here? I have no idea. This time I kind of had to twist this whole thing off. I think I just opened it up from the bottom, but there was no way this thing was coming off, so I don't know what's going on with this time. Anyway, most of the time with these lids, I put my makeup brushes on them, so I find ways to reuse everything. So there was one item that couldn't fit in here, and it is the SANITAS Brightening Peel Pads. My son has been really anxious to get into skincare. He's a teenage boy and, you know, has some acne issues going on, so I think these will be great for him. These pads retail for $74. What? It's a professional strength corrective treatment with active acids that eliminate excess oils, exfoliate, even skin tone. Each jar comes with 50 convenient cleansing pads that comes pre-prepped for the right amount of product to apply. It's proof how to use. Use one pad in the morning and one at night. Swipe over face, neck, and décolletage. No need to rinse after. Let the solution soak in and follow up with your favorite serum or moisturizer. You know, each of these, they also go on to talk about editor's tips, key ingredients, expert insights. Just the key ingredients on this is a holy trinity of glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids. Exfoliate, brighten, and stimulate skin's natural renewing process for a bright, healthy complexion. It does have alcohol in it. I'm not big on that. The other thing that it does also have in it is fragrance derived from essential oils. A lot of times those can irritate your skin, so I probably wouldn't repurchase these. These INVISIBOBBLEs have been all over the place, and I'm super excited that these are in the black, because most of the time we get them in kind of a nude color or a clear color, and they just, with my dark hair, it doesn't really work. So with these dark ones, I am excited for that. And it says that these retail for $8, and it's the most powerful yet gentle elastic on the planet. The unique spiral design holds onto hair without knotting and works with all types of hair. You use as you would any other hairband, but don't expect painful pulling or tugging. I do know that if they lose their shape a little bit, if you just blow them with your hairdryer a little bit, and then they'll kind of shrink right back up. So I'm excited to try these. I have been really consciously trying to use more mineral sunscreen, and so this is the Bare SPF 30 mineral sunscreen, and it is for specifically your face. Retails for $14.99, and Bare Republic's lightweight mineral SPF defense against UV damage, and it's loaded with antioxidants and moisturizers to help nourish and protect your skin. Apply a dime-size amount of product over your face, serums and moisturizers in the morning and 15 minutes prior to sun exposure. What I will do is I'll put this on, obviously my last step in my skincare in the mornings. I'll wait, if I can, about 30 to 40 minutes, wait at least 10 minutes before applying the makeup over it. Remember that minerals, if they are not tinted, and this one doesn't say that it is, will kind of give a white cast. So they're great for using under foundation. So then you can go in and put your foundation to kind of cover up that white tint. This is a water resistant one, which I really like, and kind of a little bit of difference on the skin on sunscreens. Minerals, because it leaves a protective barrier between your sun and the skin. The chemical ones kind of go in and really sink into your skin, and they aren't good for the reefs. They've shown that they're causing damage to those, and they're really not good in the long run. Think of all the chemicals going deep into your skin. Where the minerals, yes, they leave a white tint, and so you need to be prepared for that, but it's just a barrier that sits on top of your skin. Also, make sure to use a really good size amount. Don't put in just a little bit and kind of rub it in to get that white tint, off, because then you're only doing have like an SPF of like 4 instead of SPF 30, and 30 is the minimum that I would recommend that you use. I am excited for this new Lash Class Enhancing Serum. This retails for $95. $95. So it's a powerful once-a-day serum with peptides that strengthen lashes and delivers nutrients in the blink of an eye. Apply each night before bed to the upper lash line for a fringe so fantastic friends will want to know your secret. Once you start to notice improvement, switch to every other day. I am super excited. I'm gonna put this next to my bedstand. I've already got like kind of a lip product that I use, kind of a lip mask that I use at night. So I'll put that right, so I'll do both right before I go to bed. And here's what it kind of looks like. Ooh, I was expecting it to be like a mascara wand, but it's just this little tiny brush. Obviously gonna not put on, I've got makeup on now. You wanna put this on when all your makeup's off, right before you go to bed. I've been really loving the Daily Concepts bath sponges that I've been using, and this is the multifunctional soap sponge with charcoal. Retails for $8. It's a 2-in-1 soap sponge infused with charcoal and cleanses and smooths skin in a single swipe to save you time. Wet the sponge with warm water to scrub in circular motions to gently remove the outer layer of the skin. I'm gonna look forward to this one. By Skin Active Scientific is their ageless collagen serum, and it's a vegan formula that does everything that minimizes the appearance of wrinkles to even out skin tones. It retails for $20. You pat to clean dry skin in the morning and night. Avoid rubbing or smoothing into skin, as this can lead to the formulation of fine lines. Key ingredients here are Do-It-All Formula, boasts sea kelp bioferment for skin nourishment, hyaluronic acid, and extreme moisture, epidermal growth factor, ECF, for structural support, and magnesium, absorbable phosphate, also known as stable form of vitamin C, reducing discoloration. The editor's tip is store this product in a fridge, provides great cooling effort that mitigates puffiness. I do have, I'm super excited, one of those little tiny mini fridges for your skincare that I can leave on my bathroom counter. I'll show that to you guys when that gets here. So I'm excited to put this in there. I don't know about this product. So this is by Lids by Design, and has the product here in the mesh bag, and on this side it does have a pair of tweezers. So this is the Contour RX Lids by Design Precision Tweezers, and it's an eyelid correcting strip that restores the look of heavy hooded eyelids. I do have heavy hooded eyelids. It says use needle nose tweezers to place Lids by Design on your natural eye folds to support excess skin and create a more youthful and bright appearance. This is such an easy way to brighten up the eye area. The best part of the strip is completely hidden and doesn't prevent, you know, from putting on your makeup as usual. I don't know about this one. I think love yourself, love your skin. I have hooded eyes. Do they sometimes drive me nuts? Yes, but I don't know about correcting it with something like this. So I think I'm gonna pass on this one. Just love yourself. By CHAMONIX is their Sensual Plant Stem Cell Therapy. Retails for $89. It's a powerful treatment for under eye bags, puffiness, and fine lines. After thoroughly cleansing your face, gently massage this product into the skin underneath and around the eyes in a circular motion. Apply mornings and night for best results. A little goes a long way. Dab a small amount under the eye after a late night's out, and it does the trick to make you look wide awake the next morning. Key ingredient in the anti-aging serum made of rare Swiss apple to promote the appearance of youthful looking skin. Essential to draw out moisture under the eyes that causes bags and puffiness. Green tea leaf extract and goji berry to reduce the appearance of fine lines. I have to give this one a try. And they must have thrown in just a little bit extra bonus item because it doesn't talk about it in here. I know we've gotten this in past subscription boxes, not necessarily from TestTube, but other ones. And it is the Waiver, and you just kind of use it as a bobby pin. It is from the same guys who brought you these INVISIBOBBLEs. So I think there were only 2 misses in here for me. You know, this one, I think you just love yourself, don't worry about it. This one has some ingredients that I'm not too hip on, but the rest were great. I mean, this lash serum, I think, is the knockout that I cannot wait to try out. What were you guys' favorite things in here? If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.